Okay, it fired. Let go. Yeah.
Can I keep on pushing the button?
No, I just wanted you to start it. You can go somewhere else now, buddy.
Wow.
Oh no, look at him getting.
Oh, the Diddy's scared to death.
I don't think the ground salutes work. Oh, there they go. Yeah.
They lit up the ground there, didn't they?
Yeah. All right, now I need to see which one of these is A and which one's B. Here, I need a light. Oh, there it goes. It's good. We're good.
Like them, kid?
I don't know if that second cue fired or not.
Go over there and take it.
Pretty good case. That's those chaos.
I don't know why I'm screaming.
Oh man.
What are those called?
I don't know. I can't remember. I had to look at the sheet.
What is it?
Did you hear us? Did you hear?
Yeah.
Thunderstruck?
Hold this for a second. There's a delay there. There it goes. Now there's two of that last one.
I love the way those colors. They go up or in color.
Exterminator. get this back in focus. This is going to fire kind of slow. Used it slow. Oh.
Has
the finale happened yet?
No, baby, not yet.
Not quite.
That's an insult. What do you mean?
Actually, that's really slow. Maybe it went out. Should I go to the next cue?
Yeah, I don't think it lit everything.
I don't
Go
know.
down there and check on it.
Yeah, I don't think so. Which one was that? Do you know?
Nice.
Wow.
I don't
1,
know.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
It's not it.
9.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's that pink.
This is the pink and blue next. Yeah. This was going to be for Brianna's finger reveal.
Oh, okay, they're pink. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
Well, then she didn't want to do it. So. Now blue.
Is blue coming?
Yeah, this is the other one.
That's the one you would have been letting off.
Yeah. Oh wait, I think I had
Did
it.
you even tell her about tonight? I know
Maybe
they
not.
would.
That was two cases at the same time. I think.
Well, it's okay.
Quick match.
Yeah. Well, this is only one.
That was for Phoenix.
That would have been for Phoenix, but she didn't do it. Now see, one of those did not fire.
Her
'Cause there was
baby
supposed
goes
be
to
two.
sleep early. Who said that? It's Dion. Pink again.
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful.
Called Purple Storm.
Did we tell Ray and Kenny about that? Because we didn't do it last year. I guess that's right. Pretty good. Oh,
Now there's two going off. See how they're kind of crisscrossing?
oh my gosh. It's pretty.
This is the red strobe. Supposed to be.
Oh, yeah, it
What's this supposed to be?
Red strobe.
Oh,
It goes way up there.
you go way up. So pretty.
Now it's going way up there.
I know, I can't even video it. Oh, that's so awesome. It's covered my whole screen.
Yeah. This is that 1.4 Pro stuff.
I
Yeah,
thought those were going high.
yeah, they're way up there. That ain't all of them.
Oh, here it comes.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Every time